Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk is currently in a decline, and the break of the trend line was a great signal that at least wave 4 has started. So this immediate uptrend was over. So in terms of understanding here the key levels, obviously we were watching for a bounce from this region, from this support area. The price rallied into resistance. We got rejected in resistance in the target area, actually at the first ideal target for a third wave at 317.525. It shows how relevant these levels can be. And then I highlighted, okay, we've got a trend line. From here somewhere now, a fourth wave could unfold. You never know if it's a fourth wave or something more bearish, because this is only a 3-wave rally. But the risk levels are defined. So the support area, micro support for wave 4, is defined between 231,800 and 267,992. We dipped into this area now. The trend line gave us a first indication that this fourth wave is unfolding. And now we need to be watching the next two levels, 249, 240 and 231,800. From here, a fifth wave to the upside could unfold if these 5 waves unfold. But it really takes the development of these 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can call that a wave 1. And the subsequent pullback should hold and should form a higher low. At the moment, probabilities between a wave count in which the lower support region is tested again and possibly the 78.6 fib level at 161,464, and the scenario in yellow where we should find support before breaking below 231,800, well, the probabilities are fairly balanced because we only have 3 waves up and the move up is corrective. So it's not impulsive. We haven't got 5 waves up. We need the 5 waves for a clear understanding that the support area here really is completed. So from that point of view, I assume we are in a correction until the market starts to show some kind of an impulsive move up or something that, well, it would be an initial signal that wave 5 has started. Okay, so at the moment we're in a pullback, we're in a correction. And until we see a micro 5-wave move up, like for example, what we had, where did we have a micro 5? I don't even think we had one here. This one was maybe one. So until we see a 5-wave move up on a smaller time frame, I assume the correction is now set to continue. And ultimately what we need for clarification is a larger 5-wave pattern. So far, the price has held this support area, upper support, I call it, the main, you could even call it the main support area. And I'm now watching for a test of 249, 240, or 231,800. We know that below the 231,800 level, it becomes quite probable that, did I select the right one? Yeah, that the lower support will be tested. Okay, and specifically it should then form a lower low. I mean, below the June lows, below 182,930, and the next fib level is 161,464. So I think here we need to be patient a bit. I don't even have enough touch points to draw like the next trend line here. Oops. So here we had 3 touch points, and this one was then the break. If we now talk about downside, all I could do is draw a small red trend line here that is only based on 2 touch points, so it's not too reliable. But if you ask me, I mean, if this really was an A wave down, and it might be this, A down, yeah, B wave up, C wave down should take us a little bit lower. If we talk about fib extension targets, but then we are in the dangerous realm of micro counting here. But yeah, in the lower, it should end in the lower half of the box. If it's a 4th wave, it could get to 244,440, right? The 100% extension, but this is not so reliable. For now, I think the trend line is probably the most the simplest way to follow this downtrend, just with this trend line. If it breaks, yeah, maybe then it's worth watching. Okay, it's the 5th wave, maybe unfolding. Hopefully that helps. Hope that's hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.